Good morning everyone. Now we are going to discuss about data preparation in business analytics. So data preparation means getting data ready for analysis. It includes collecting, cleaning and organizing data. So it can be used for reports, graphs or decisions. Why the data preparation is important? So good data leads to better decisions. Data preparation helps by removing wrong or messy data, fixing formats so everything matches, combining data from different places. See, this is the classification diagram of data preprocessing. Data preprocessing consists of three major steps, and those are data cleaning, transformation and reduction. Data cleaning data are cleaned with the help of missing data, noisy data. And transformation includes normalization, attribute selection, discretization, concept hierarchy generation. Data reduction includes data cube aggregation, attribute subset selection, numerosity reduction and dimensionality reduction. So let us move on to data cleaning. It fixes mistakes in the data and remove missing or useless patterns. In missing data, we can simply ignore rows with too many blanks. If we have lots of data, we can simply ignore the rows with many blank fields. So fill missing values using average, mean, standard deviation or most common value and noisy data. Error or incorrect data is treated to be as noisy data. The following ways we can clean the noisy data, those are binning, regression and clustering. With the help of binning, group values and smooth them by replacing with an average. Say example, if a raw data consists of 12, 13, 14 and 80 are in a one bin, it can be replaced with 13, 13, 13 and 13. By taking average of all those elements, the bin elements are transformed from 12, 13, 14, 80 into all 13s. Next, regression. Draw a best fit line through the data to remove random noise. For example, predicting height from age and ignoring weird outliers. Next, clustering. Clustering means grouping similar data items to find patterns and outliers. So we have successfully completed data cleaning. Next we move on to data transformation. Data transformation changes data into a better format for analysis. Here the technique used in transformation, first technique is normalization. It scales the number to the same range like 0 to 1, so they are easier to compare. For example, suppose we have the exam scores like out of 100, the scores will be 50, 80 and 90. So we can normalize them by using 0 to 1 scale. 50 will be converted into 0.5, 80 to 0.8 and 90 to 0.9. Next, attribute selection. It is also called feature creation. Here we can create new data from the existing data. For example, from height and weight we can calculate the BMI. If our database consists of height and weight fields, we can calculate the BMI with the help of this following formula: weight divided by height divided by 100 whole square. Next, discretization. Turn numbers into categories. For example, convert the continuous numeric data into categories or bins called discretization. So here the age values we have 22, 35, 47 and 60. We can discretize them into age group, like people belong to 0 to 30 years fall under young category. From 31 to 50 age categories are comes under middle aged category, and from 51 greater than 51 are treated to be as senior citizens. So we have age values 20 to 35 and 47. So this will be transferred into young, middle aged, senior citizen like this. Next, concept hierarchy generation. Here we can replace the detailed information with more general categories, like if we have cities like Mumbai, Chennai, Delhi, we can simply convert it into India. Next, third technique called data reduction. It reduces the size of data set while keeping important information. That means makes the data set smaller without losing important information. And the technique used in data reduction are feature selection, feature extraction, sampling, clustering, compression. Let us see one by one in our next video.